Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pundix token. Today's video is really very important because there is a big breakout flashed on the pundix charts that I want to show you. But before moving to the charts, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the chart. This is the daily time frame, and here we can see that the price line entered the down channel here in the month of October at the end of October 2021, and so far the price line is not able to break out or break down the support or resistance of this channel. But if we extend this resistance of the channel, then it can be clearly observed that this resistance is not started here. It is coming all the way from here. We also had some rejections here, then we had some rejections here, and now it has formed a newly down channel. And here we also have the support of this new channel. And we can also see that we also had a previous support, and that was a formation of a symmetrical triangle. The price line has almost broken down the support, but not with a powerful bearish divergence or a sell volume, but it has entered in a new channel, and the support of this channel is stopping the price line to move more down, and we are having again and again bounces. Now, the more important thing that I want to show you is if we take a look at the RSI oscillator here, then we can see that the RSI has also found a very long-term resistance. You can see that on 13th of August on this daily time frame chart, this resistance was found here, and we had a rejection here, here, and so many rejections here as well. But you can see right now the price line has broken out this resistance on 22nd of December. This resistance has been broken out. Now, if we again zoom the chart out and watch the price line, then we can see the recent high of the price line was here, and this is the new high, and the price line has formed a lower high than the previous high. But if we take a look at the RSI here below this high, RSI formed this high, and the next high is higher than previous high. So there is also a bullish divergence appeared on the daily time frame, and here price line has found another support and formed another a symmetrical triangle, and this is the support that is topping the price line to move down to the support of the channel. And right now you can see that the price line since 21st of December again and again trying to break out the resistance of this down channel and this newly formed symmetrical triangle as well. Now, after this breakout, our next imminent target will be on the immediate short term. If I place this trend line here, as per this symmetrical triangle, will be $1 and approximately 68 cents. And the price line can then reach here at this resistance. That is the also the tail of this channel as well at $1.71. But I'm expecting a really very big move. And as soon as this breakout happens, I will also share with you the long-term targets as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.